Hello guys! So we are... Umuulan siya. Alis kami. Oh, kamlalab. Alis kami kasi wala na yung pagkain na. Wala na yung isda na. Yung isda namin wala na siyang pagkain. So pupunta kami doon sa fish shop. And...
To buy fish food.
Para bumili ng fish food. Ayan. So, as usual, magkakasama na naman kami kasi hindi pa pwedeng may maiwan. At gusto rin nila sumama. Help me to lock the door, ate. Ayan, si ate pupunta lang kami. Bibili lang kami ng fish food. Tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Nakasapatos. Ayan, sabi ko mag-chinelas na lang siya or mag-sandals. Ayaw niya. So, susuot lang tayo ng mask.
Where's the kid?
The key is in my pocket. And the kids are ready to go. See you, hey, hi. See you, hey, hi. Oh, you're so cute. See you, hello. Oh, see you. Wow, you're so cute, Lalab. Let me see your hairstyle. Oh, that's so nice. You're so pretty. How about Ate Sichan? Oh, wow, you look so cute. So pretty, Lalab. Your hairstyle. Who tie your hair? Ate Toneta, that's so cute. Turn around, turn around. Turn around. Okay. Let's go. Also they're selling plants, oh. Hindi siya kita guys kasi maulan. Dito ka rin makakakita ng mga murang plants. Lagi kami pupunta dito para bumili ng isda or bumili ng fish food. Ayan, eto na. Pinakadulo siya. Yeah. Fish spa. Okay, we'll go there. Whoa! Look at that! How much is this fish? This fish is 2,988. Yan yung price ng isda, guys. Oh, ang mahal.
So many fish.
Oh, look at this. And ito, guys, yung one for $60. Wow! Wow! Nice fish! Wow, yes! Kaka! Where? Oh yes.
This one and this join.
This is like tilapia. Oh, this guys, how much the price? This one is $98 each. Oh, this is what? Ate, garuan na siya.
Why big fish here?
No, this one lalab is what is this? The one that Piranha, yeah?
No, it's a piranha.
Guys, ang mahal niya. 488, 108, 200 each. So, ayan. Wow! She's so excited.
Mama, very cute.
You're very cute, right? Oh, yes. How pretty. This one
before we
is...
have one.
Hello, you sell, right? You give it back. This one is $68. Oh. Kapag ito guys, hindi siya pwedeng isama sa ibang isda kasi tumatapang to eh. Nangangain sila. Wow.
You want to eat anything?
Huh?
You want to eat anything?
Hungry?
Because he's eating the... No, not that. Because he's eating all the small fish.
Yeah, they're eating out. Yes.
This one very easy to eat.
This one. Oh, so big. Ang lalaki nila guys. Puti na siya. Oh. We check the price. This is... Wow, today this is offer, ha? You see 188, 168, 158. Mga yung anak ko.
Wow, and pink. Come on.
Guys, parang ang laki ng isda. Parang ang sarap niyang kain. Parang sarap niyang gataan. This one, how much? We check the price.
Look at this one.
This is, 788.
Wow.
Yeah, so expensive. This fish is very expensive. So mamaya guys, punta kami dyan. Kain lang kami kasi gutom na yung mga kids. You see, they're already open, oh. Before it's close, eh. Wow.
Wow, fish. Wow.
So big. How much is? Oh? 1 for 15.
Mama, look at the water.
Yeah, lah, the lower one is cheaper. 60. 1 for 60. Eh. This one cheaper. $6. 1 for 6. 5 and above, just $5 each. Oh. Pero mas maliit siya, guys. Maliit siya compared dito, $15. Pero okay lang.
I love koi.
How much is that? $10 ah. Yeah, for one. This one is 130 each. Ay, 150. Oh. This is white. Wow. Yeah, there you see there. So cute. $5 each. Oh, look at the tummy there. So big. The bigger one is 100. Malalaki. Look at that, so cute. Yeah, look at that head.
Then one is color brown.
Yeah, you see.
But some of them is color peach.
150 ang price.
And some of them.
Nice. This is $23 for one piece.
Wow.
Oh, this siya masyadong malalaki. So cute, the color.
Yeah. This looks like golden.
So $4 each.
Mama, this is
Oh, like this one is $18. Also $18 for one. Oh, look at that. Oh, very long. The tail.
Yeah.
The tail is very long.
Mama, they all want to eat my hand.
They are so pretty.
Mama, they all want to eat my hand.
This one is more expensive. This is $65 each. Oh. This is 12. This is dangerous. $15 each.
What is dangerous? Wow. What the?
Oh, look at that. This is $5 each. This one so strange. Oh, okay. Oh, look at the food. The food also.
Oh, the food is here.
This one $5 each. You can take it. The one is 5 also, 5 each. Look at their lips. Yung lips nila, guys, tingnan mo. Oh, parang ang sexy ng lips nila. This is $7 each. Look at their lips. Look, there's a yellow color also. Look at their lips. So sexy, oh.
Yeah.
Also $7.
Is this have electricity also?
No, this is different. This is royal.
Mama, look.
This is $1, $8.
Mama.
$10.
Mama, your one don't have that nothing. I also don't have any nothing, huh?
Is $78 each.
What's this? Why their eyes is red, Mama?
Go to this small fish. This is like shrimp. This is one
I don't know.
pictus cat. This is pictus cat fish, $5 each. Maliit pa siya pero 328 yung price. This is Oh, you see? This is similar to our arawanahan pero look at the price.
No, this one is
1188.
Yours violet, our silver.
Oh, silver Let's silver arowana. Our one is silver arowana. Let's check how much the price. But the one is ours. It's already big, oh. Red tail gold. Look at this. Maliit pa siya, guys. Ganito yung binili naming arowana. Hindi namin yung arowana, guys. Ganito lang siya kaliit. Yung arowana namin. Oh. Pero ngayon sobrang laki na. No, that one is only small ma when we bought. But look at her. Look at the price. 388. This is 388. This is $35 each. Look at the... And it's nice da, guys. But look, 25. Super small. See, hey, you playing your saliva, lalab. The first one, what's that? Fish.
Spider.
No. The sea is so small, so many.
Yeah, they're still baby. Yep, and here. Here, donut. Only this one. No, I want the donut. Because this one has two. Look, there's baby
Seawater. So guys, we're on the way back. Nakabili na kami ng fish food para sa aming arwana. So, uwian na. And that's it. See you in our next vlog. Bye. Baby girl. Bye.
Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.